Well, hello Truffle Kitchen.
Welcome back to Truffle Kitchen.
So what are you making today?
Today we're going to be making waffles, but not the sweet type that you used to. We're going to make potato waffles with the world's stretchiest cheese.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I'm excited. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So how do we start?
Of course with the potatoes. So I have 2 cups of mashed potatoes. The beauty of this recipe is you can reuse the potatoes that you made the night before or the day before.
All right, let's do it.
So as I said, 2 cups of mashed potatoes. I'm going to need 4 tablespoons of ricotta cheese, or maybe like plain yogurt is fine.
I like to see you cooking. It makes me hungry.
Yeah, I'll make some good stuff.
So what is this?
This is melted butter. I have 1 tablespoon. And next we're going to need 2 eggs.
Perfect, we got some protein in.
Yes, I was just going to say this is going to add that extra bit of protein, because this recipe is full of carbohydrates and fats. Okay, let's start mixing. It's not looking very appetizing just yet, but trust me, it's going to win you over.
Oh, trust me, it looks very appetizing.
Right, we have 1 tablespoon of chopped spring onion. In you go. 1 tablespoon of chopped dill. If you don't have fresh, you can use 1 teaspoon of dry dill. Next we need some smoked paprika.
All right.
Yeah, just one teaspoon's enough. Half a teaspoon of dry garlic. Potatoes and garlic and cheese, perfect. And dill, perfect combination.
I wanted to ask you, where did you get inspiration for this recipe?
I just like potatoes and I love cheese, and the combination is totally fantastic. And 1 teaspoon of salt. So as I said, 1 teaspoon. And the last ingredient in this recipe is flour. You can use plain white flour, whole wheat flour, gluten-free flour. Today I have brown rice flour. Well, I don't consider these waffles super healthy, but I'm trying to make them as healthy as I can.
All right, do you think this consistency is good enough, or maybe we should add some milk?
I think we should add some liquid. Definitely milk is a good choice, or maybe an extra egg. Yeah, because this is too thick. It would make good potato cakes, but not good for waffles, too thick. Why not add even more protein and liquid by using egg whites? So I'm going to use 1/4 cup. It's done. And using the egg white is such a good idea because it's going to bind all the ingredients together, making sure the waffles don't fall apart or stick to your waffle maker.
All right.
Yes, so on medium, on.
I guess you're writing down the recipe.
Yes, the amount of ingredients you can see in the description.
All right, I think your waffle maker is ready.
It is ready. Grease, just slightly. And we are ready. Okay, let's try.
I'm so curious to see what's gonna happen. How
Me
they're
too.
gonna look.
No, I'm joking. I'm pretty sure it's gonna turn out great. So this recipe should make around 4 waffles. I mean, depending on what size waffle maker you have.
I think they're gonna be huge.
Yay!
Oh yeah.
Press and...
All right, so what we are doing next?
While we're waiting for the waffles to make, let's talk about cheese. Yes, I can talk about food all day and eat as well. So we are going to aim to make the world's stretchiest cheese. I've chosen 3 of the world's stretchiest cheeses, and combined we're going to make it stretchy.
Where can you buy this stuff? Like, where can you buy the world's
Okay,
stretchiest cheese?
so these 2 are available at any stores. This is, as I pronounce it, Gouda. This is mozzarella, but it has to be the low moisture one. And this cheese, this is it. This is the stretchy cheese. As far as I know, it's made in Mexico and it's called, please correct me if I'm wrong, I'm sure you don't know yourself, but it's called Oaxaca. Oaxaca. I have no idea.
Okay.
But this is meant to give you like this stretch.
Let's make the best waffles with Oaxaca.
Give me 5. Yeah. So while we wait, yet again, we're going to cut the cheese. So this is texture-wise very similar to mozzarella.
Oh, I think our waffles are ready.
Yep.
Let's check on them.
Okay, turn this off.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Just look at this.
And if you think that this is the end, it is certainly not. So I'm going to preheat my pan on the medium heat and let's stuff our waffles with cheese. Now I take one of the waffles.
So you want to put the cheese inside of the waffle?
Yes, but if you do it in the waffle maker, the cheese will melt, it will burn on the sides, and it will just leak out when you press the top. Okay. So let's go and transfer our waffles onto a pan. Grease.
Nice. Just look at this.
Oh yes. And then put it back on heat and then cover with the lid.
All right, so is it ready?
Yeah, it is certainly ready.
Oh my God.
And it's a little...
Oh, it's
Okay,
already stretching.
it's already stretching.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we let this cool
That
for
looks yummy.
probably like 2 minutes so I don't burn my hands, and then we'll check out the stretch.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Let's see how it stretches.
Let's see.
Oh wow.
Okay.
How far you can go with it?
You're like really far.
That's insane.
Okay guys, we had fun today. We cooked amazing food. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos to come. Bye.
We will subscribe for sure.